Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to double space in Google Documents. Google Docs defaults all newly created documents to a line spacing of 1.15, which in most cases is suitable to readability. However, if you want to make room for edits or improve the legibility of your content, then changing the line spacing to double space may be an option for you. If you've ever been told to submit an assignment or report in double-spaced text, you might be wondering what it looks like. Double-spaced text has a full blank line between each row of text. Open Google Documents file that you need. Select the text or part of the text. Go to Format tab at the top tools bar. Click on the line spacing. Choose Double from the list. You can also click on the line spacing tool at the top tools bar. Choose Double from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!